What's up, guys? I've got a quick little video I'm going to do today. It's super cold outside. It's Chicago, 31 degrees in the winter. And our friends at Alien Sunshade just sent us out the rear sunshade. So I wanted to throw it on. I'm too excited. I got to see what it looks like. So you can see I took the roof off using my Topsy products, Hoist. Just put that up there, and I'm gonna do a quick how to just throw this thing on here. It's not gonna make a big video about it because this thing will take literally like 2 minutes to throw on. So let me show you what we got going. Okay, so they sent me out the cherry red rear sunshade to match what we already have going. You can see the front one there. You've probably already seen our YouTube video. This rear sunshade comes with, you've got two long bungees. These are going to be for the front of the shade because this is going to face towards the front of the vehicle. So you got those two long ones. You got 6 short ones. You're going to have 3 for the driver's side and 3 for the passenger side. And then you've got 4 medium-sized bungees. These are for the back, which is all the way towards the back of the vehicle. So I'm gonna go ahead, and what I've been doing since I started I've actually taken the front one off once. I kind of just feed feed them through, kind of pre-feed them so that they're all set in place, pulling them with the bungee up through the bottom, and so that the ball is kind of on the underside of the hole here. So let me see if I can do one of these with one hand real quick. Just gonna feed it through the grommet. Sorry, it's a bad picture. But I feed it through the grommet from the bottom side up so that the ball's on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and feed them all through. Alien Sunshade says to start with the sides. So we'll do both sides when we start putting the bungees on. And then we'll go to the front too. And then the last will be to do the 4 rear ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed these all through and be right back. So you can see I've got them all fed through with the ball on the bottom side, strap coming up through the top. So what I did next is I just kind of laid it in the back seat here with all those pulled through, and I'm gonna start pulling the bungees over on, I'm gonna start on the passenger side just because it's easier to get to right now with it being in the garage here. So let me see, I'm probably not gonna be able to do this one-handed, but what I'll do is I'll strap one over and show you and then do each one. So I just pulled the straps over the top of the roll cage and hooked the bungee to each of the balls. And then what I kind of like to do is just kind of tuck those up in underneath, and they'll all kind of get settled into place as you do each one of them. So I'm gonna move over to the driver's side and hook those 3, and then we'll go on from there. All 3 of the driver's side bungees are in place. And I'll go to the front next. You can see I've got the 2 bungees already kind of prepped, ready to go here in the front. So I'm just gonna pull those up over the front bar and hook them back to the balls just like the rest. And then all I got left is the rears. And lastly, I'm standing up in the back of the Jeep here. You got the last 4 bungees are gonna come over the top of the rear roll bar and connect to themselves. What I do like is that if you notice, they paid attention when Alien was making these so that the bungees, number one, don't interfere with one another, but also you'll notice they kind of, these 2 new ones for the rear, tuck away and don't interfere with where things are gonna get, with the top's gonna get strapped and screwed in and the hooks are gonna go. So they stay out of the way, makes it so that you can put the top on and off with still leaving the sunshade installed, and makes it really nice. So let me go ahead and get these last 4 done and we'll go from there. And just like that, the Mojito Jeep has front and rear Alien Sunshades in the cherry red. I think all said and done, if I wasn't recording, this probably would have taken me all of about 5 minutes to put this one on. If you saw our previous videos, you saw front one takes a little bit longer because it is a little tougher to get the the front straps through between the windshield and the roll bar. Not difficult if you watch our video. We got some great tips in there on YouTube. So check out our channel, youtube.com/ShockerRacing. Got lots of Mojito Jeep videos on there, including how to install the front sunshade with some good pointers. So check us out. Make sure you subscribe to us on Instagram @Mojito Jeep. And we'll see you in our next video.